2024 Yamaha Stratoliner, a masterpiece of power and elegance, a robust 1854 cubic centimeters air-cooled V-twin engine. In the world of motorcycles, Yamaha has long been synonymous with innovation, performance, and style. One of the standout models that encapsulates these qualities is the Yamaha Stratoliner. This cruiser motorcycle has captured the hearts of riders with its powerful engine, luxurious design, and advanced features. In this article, we'll take a closer look at the Yamaha Stratoliner and explore what makes it a true masterpiece on two wheels. A legacy of excellence, the Yamaha Stratoliner, first introduced in 2006, is part of Yamaha's Star Motorcycles lineup. From its inception, it was designed to offer riders a blend of classic cruiser aesthetics and modern engineering. The Stratoliner is often regarded as a touring cruiser, making it an ideal choice for riders who value long-distance comfort without compromising on performance. Powerful heartbeat. At the heart of the Yamaha Stratoliner is a robust 1,854 cubic centimeters air-cooled V-twin engine. This engine not only produces an impressive amount of torque but also delivers a deep and resonant exhaust note, adding to the bike's character. With this powerhouse, the Stratoliner effortlessly cruises down the highway, making it an excellent choice for extended road trips. Luxurious design. The Yamaha Stratoliner is a striking motorcycle with a design that blends classic and modern elements. Its bold and sweeping lines give it a distinctive presence on the road. The Stratoliner features generous amounts of chrome, adding a touch of elegance and shine to its appearance. The deeply cushioned, leather-wrapped seats not only look luxurious but also provide unparalleled comfort, making long rides a pleasure rather than a chore. Innovative features. Yamaha has never been one to skimp on technology, and the Stratoliner is no exception. Riders can enjoy a range of advanced features designed to enhance their experience. These include a multifunction LCD display that provides information on speed, fuel, and trip details, as well as a quick-release windshield that allows for customization depending on riding conditions. The Stratoliner also comes equipped with cruise control, making those endless highways a breeze to conquer. Handling and comfort. While the Stratoliner boasts a significant presence, it doesn't compromise on handling. The chassis and suspension are carefully tuned to offer a smooth and responsive ride. The bike's low seat height ensures that riders of various sizes can easily plant their feet on the ground, boosting confidence during stops and starts. The Stratoliner's well-designed ergonomics and rider-friendly controls contribute to a relaxed riding position, ideal for long journeys. Customization options. One of the joys of owning a Yamaha Stratoliner is the ability to customize it to your heart's content. Yamaha offers a range of genuine accessories, including saddlebags, backrests, and more, allowing riders to tailor the bike to their individual preferences and needs. This versatility ensures that your Stratoliner is not just a mode of transportation but a reflection of your personal style. The Yamaha Stratoliner stands as a testament to Yamaha's commitment to excellence in the world of motorcycles. With its potent engine, luxurious design, advanced features, and impeccable handling, it represents the best of both worlds, a classic cruiser with a modern twist. Whether you're a seasoned rider seeking a comfortable touring machine or a newcomer to the world of cruisers, the Yamaha Stratoliner is a motorcycle that deserves your consideration. It's more than a motorcycle. It's a masterpiece on two wheels.